Jeem. After that is Ta Jeem. Ta has two dots up, and the bottom one is Jeem has in a dot in middle. Ta Jeem Noon Kha. Noon has one dot up, and also the down letter. This one letter has one dot up. We can understand if this one letter will be without dot, it will be ha, and if this one letter has one dot in middle, then it will be Jeem. Now this one letter has one dot up, so we can understand this is Kha. Noon Kha. After the noon kha, next one joint shape is ya ha joint shape. Ya has two dots down, and ha is without dot. We can understand this is ha. Ya ha. After that is ba ji joint shape. Next new shape is ya meme joint shape. Sometime meme will be in this one shape. Understand it as well. Yeah, meme. Ba has always one dot at the bottom, so this one is ba. Ba meme. Noon meme. Noon has two dots. Sorry, noon has one dot up. Noon meme. Ta meme. Ta has two dots up, and the down one shape is a meme shape. Ta meme. Now this is Tha meme, because Tha has three dots up, and after that is meme. Uh, I told you before, meme will be in this shape. We can see sometime meme in this shape. Tha meme. After that is a new shape. Actually, the new shape is ba ya joint shape. The first one letter is a ba. We can understand with the color, because the dot and letter color is same, and dot is on the bottom of the letters. At the bottom of the letters, we can understand is ba. Ba ya. This is ya joint shape. Ya and ya joint shape. Ya has two dots down. Ya. Noon ya. Noon has one dot up.